Minimalist kitchen design has become one of the most influential trends in modern home interiors. Characterized by clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and purposeful functionality, this style is more than just an aesthetic choice. It is a lifestyle approach that prioritizes efficiency, comfort, and clarity. As the kitchen becomes an increasingly central space for cooking, gathering, and daily routines, adopting a minimalist design offers a range of practical and emotional benefits. This video explores why minimalist kitchen design matters and how it can transform both your space and your everyday life. Understanding the minimalist kitchen concept. At its core, a minimalist kitchen emphasizes the idea of less is more. It incorporates simplicity, openness, and intentional design choices. This means selecting only the essentials, reducing unnecessary ornamentation, and creating a flow that supports ease of movement and clarity of mind. Minimalist kitchens rely on a neutral color palette, streamlined layouts, and functional materials. The goal is not to make the space empty, but to make it efficient, calming, and aesthetically balanced. The importance of minimalist kitchen design. Minimalist kitchen design is important for several reasons that go beyond style. It directly impacts daily habits, energy use, mental clarity, and the overall quality of the home environment. 1. Supports a more efficient cooking experience. A minimalist kitchen makes meal prep faster and more enjoyable. By organizing items logically and eliminating unnecessary clutter, every tool and ingredient becomes easier to find and use. This reduces frustration and encourages more consistent, healthier cooking routines. 2. Enhances mental clarity and reduces stress. Cluttered environments often contribute to feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. A minimalist kitchen, with its clean surfaces and intentional layout, creates a peaceful atmosphere. This helps reduce stress and allows you to focus on the tasks at hand. 3. Strengthens daily habits and discipline. Minimalism encourages mindful decision-making. It requires regular organization, thoughtful purchasing, and conscious use of space. Over time, these habits extend into other areas of life, promoting discipline and intentional living. 4. Promotes better organization. Minimalist design prioritizes smart storage. Cabinets, drawers, and shelves are designed to maximize space while keeping items hidden and neatly arranged. This makes daily routines smoother and keeps the kitchen looking tidy with minimal effort. 5. Creates a timeless and versatile aesthetic. Minimalist kitchens remain stylish for years because they avoid overly trendy details. Their simplicity ensures long-term appeal and makes it easy to update the space with small changes, such as swapping hardware or adding new decor. Key benefits of minimalist kitchen design. While the importance of minimalism lies in its lifestyle impact, its practical benefits bring real value to homeowners. Benefit 1. Better space utilization. Minimalist kitchens maximize every inch of available space. Thoughtful layouts, vertical storage solutions, and multifunctional elements ensure that even small kitchens feel open and functional. How this helps? More room to move, easier cleaning, less visual chaos, greater efficiency during meal prep. Benefit 2. Easier cleaning and maintenance. With fewer objects and simplified surfaces, a minimalist kitchen requires significantly less cleaning time. Countertops remain open, appliances are neatly integrated, and floors are unobstructed. How this helps? Faster daily cleaning, fewer items to wipe, scrub, or maintain. Long-term durability due to reduced wear. This benefit is especially valuable for busy households with limited time. Benefit 3. A calming and comfortable environment. Minimalism creates a feeling of openness, which naturally enhances comfort. Soft neutral colors, smooth surfaces, and simple decor contribute to a calming kitchen environment. How this helps? Reduces overstimulation, makes cooking more enjoyable, encourages mindful daily habits, creates peaceful shared moments with family. Benefit 4. Cost efficiency in the long run. Minimalist kitchens may seem simple, but their design encourages thoughtful investment. Instead of buying unnecessary decor or extra appliances, homeowners focus on durable, high-quality essentials. How this helps? Reduces impulse purchases, extends the lifespan of kitchen components, prevents costly redecoration or renovation needs, increases long-term satisfaction. Benefit 5. Improved safety and functionality. A clutter-free kitchen naturally minimizes risks. With clear countertops and well-organized storage, there is less chance of spills, accidents, or misplaced sharp tools. How this helps? Safer cooking movements, fewer tripping hazards, easier access to first aid and essentials. This is especially beneficial for households with children or elderly members. Benefit 6. Encourages sustainability. Minimalist design aligns naturally with eco-friendly living. Choosing fewer items, repurposing what you already own, and using long-lasting materials help reduce waste. How this helps? Less clutter heading to landfills. Reduced material consumption. Decreased energy use through streamlined design. Greater appreciation for high-quality, durable items. Benefit 7. Makes the kitchen feel larger and brighter. Minimalist design elements such as light colors, reflective surfaces, and simple lines help visually expand the space. Even small kitchens can feel open and beautifully illuminated. How this helps? Enhances natural light, makes cooking more comfortable, creates a welcoming atmosphere for guests, improves the overall home aesthetic. Benefit 8. Increases property value. Minimalist kitchens have strong market appeal because of their timeless design and high functionality. They attract buyers who prioritize modern, clean, and practical living spaces. How this helps? Improves home resale value, makes the property more appealing during viewing, reduces the need for future renovation by new buyers. Conclusion: a smarter, calmer, and more beautiful way to live. The minimalist kitchen design style goes far beyond visual appeal. It transforms the kitchen into a functional, peaceful, and highly organized environment that enhances everyday living. From easier cleaning and improved safety to increased comfort and long-term cost efficiency, the benefits of minimalism are both practical and deeply meaningful. Whether you're designing a new kitchen or refreshing an existing one, embracing minimalist principles can significantly enrich your home and lifestyle. With simplicity, intentionality, and thoughtful design choices, a minimalist kitchen truly becomes the heart of a calm and modern home.